welcome back to my channel for a new CVS deals video, and thank you all for joining me. Happy new week to you all. This is the first week for this 2 weeks ad cycle, and we have some good deals to grab. If you use the known products, they're on sale for $5.97. No extra care box back, but Ibotta is giving back $1.25, which will end up making it just $4.72. But check your clearance section, cause in my store it's on clearance for $3.74, and you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back, and after the rebate it will end up costing just $2.49. If this is your first time joining us here, I would like to welcome you, and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go find more deals. The next deal I have here will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.94, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. And this also includes the toothbrush, so you can pick whichever one you like. But if you're picking up the toothpaste, the 2 will cost $7.88. We received a 3 off 2-digit 2 coupon that will drop it down to $4.88, and you get 4 back, making both just 88 cents or 44 cents each. The next oral care deal we have will be on the 1-liter scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.94, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $9.88. We have a 2 off 2-digit 2 coupon that will drop it down to $7.88, and you get $4 back, making both just $3.88 or $1.94 each. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and this can make a good filler item if you have a 10 of 70 next purchase CRT. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each, and these 2 will total $11.58. According to the ad, we're supposed to receive a $4 mystery offer, but I did not get mine. But if you received yours, this will be your breakdown. Use the $4 mystery offer that will drop it down to $7.58, and you get 5 back, making both just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Baby Lips. They're on sale for $3.99 each, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $5 back, and that will end up making these 2 just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 of the Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub, priced at $9.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $5. The 2 will total $14.99. My store only have 1, but in case your store have 2, this will be your breakdown. I only have 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT, and using that will drop it down to $12.99, and you get $5 back. Then check Ibotta, because it's giving back $3 on each. That will be a total of $6 from Ibotta, which will end up making both just $1.99 or $1 each. If you prefer the micellar cleansing water, pick up 2. The first one will be $11.99, and because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $6. And these 2 will total $17.99. Use the 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT, and it will drop it down to $15.99, and you get 5 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each. That will be a total of $6, which will end up making both just $4.99 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have in this video will be on Aveeno Facial Care or Neutrogena Facial Cleansing. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back, limit of 1 per week. What I like to pick up when this deal come around will be the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, priced at $8.99, and the face cream, priced at $15.99. These 2 will total $24.98. We have a $3 digit 2 coupon for the cleanser, and we also have a $5 digit 2 coupon for the face cream. I have a 5 off 20 Aveeno or Neutrogena Facial Care CRT, and that will take off $13, dropping it down to $11.98, and you get 7 back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have will be on Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. They are part of the spend 25 get 10 back limit of 1 per week. Pick up one. It's priced at $25.99. We have a $5 digital coupon, and the 5 off 20 Aveeno and Neutrogena facial care CRT is also attaching to this product. That will take off $10, dropping it down to $15.99, and you get 10 back, and that will make it just $5.99 only. My next deal is on Axe Dry Spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. Pick up two. They are priced at $7.49 each, and because of the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.75, and both will total $11.24. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.24, and you get $4 back, making both just $2.24 or $1.12 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on any Irish Spring or soft soap body wash, limit of 1 per week. And the cheapest way to do this deal is to pick up 2 soft soap body wash. They are priced at $6.59 each, and both will total $13.18. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.18, and you get 4 back, and that will end up making these two just $5.18 or $2.59 each. But if you prefer the Irish Spring, you can pick up 2, and they are priced at $7.49 each. And these two will total $14.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.98, and you get 4 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is on Aveeno body wash, and they are part of the buy one get $3 back limit of 1 per week. Pick up the 18-ounce Aveeno body wash priced at $12.99. Check your app because we have a $3 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 12 Aveeno body wash CRT. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $6.99, and you get 3 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is on Nivea body wash, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back. And the cheapest way to go about this deal is to pick up the Nivea men body wash priced at $6.29 each, and these two will total $12.58. We have $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.58, and you get 7 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for $2 back on the second body wash. That will end up making it just $1.58 or 79 cents each. Or you can pick up 2 8.4 ounces Nivea body lotion priced at $7.29 each, and these two will total $14.58. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.58, and you get 7 back. Then you submit your receipt to Shopmium for $2 back on the second lotion. That will end up making these two just $3.58 or $1.79 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video will be on Suave Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Suave Essentials. They are priced at $3.19 each, and that will be the cheapest route to do this deal. First will be $3.19, and the second one will be $1.60. And these two will total $4.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making both just $2.79 or $1.40 each. The next hair care deal I have is on Monday Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioners priced at $6.29, and the second one will be $3.15. And these two will total $9.44. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.44, and you get 4 back, making these two just $2.44 or $1.22 each. The next deal I have is the OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are part of the buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2. The ones I'm showing is priced at $9.29. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and the second item will be $5.57. These two will total $14.86. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.86, and you get 4 back, making both just $4.86 or $2.43 each. Next deal I have is on Dove hair care, and they are part of the buy 2 get 5 bag limit of 1 per week. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.19 each, and these two will total $10.38. We have a 4 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.38 and you get 5 back, making both just $1.38 or 69 cents each. I put together a hair care deal for anybody that wants to use their 10 of 40 hair care CRT. I did not get mine in the app, and I guess my next option is to print it out from the coupon center. And this is everything you need to pick up for the spend 40 get $10 off, and all 8 items will total $39.47, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 40 get 10 off. Use the 3 of 2 Monday hair care digital coupon, 4 of 2 Dove hair care digital coupon, and 6 of 2 OGX digital coupon, and the 10 of 40 hair care CRT. That will take off $23 and leave you to pay $16.47, and you'll get back $2 for the Suave, $4 for the OGX, $4 for the Monday hair care, and $5 for the Dove hair care, which means you're getting back $15 in extra care box, and that makes all these hair care products just $1.47 or 18 cents each. The next deal I have is on Gillette Mark III. It's on sale for $7.97, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one. You can see this $3 digital coupon we received today is attaching to it. That will take off 3, dropping it down to $4.97, and you get 3 back, making it just $1.97. The next deal is spend 20 get $5 back, and Cottonelle 9 mega rolls are part of this deal. Pick up one. They're on sale for $10.79, and pick up 2 Cottonelle wipes on sale for 2 for $10. These 3 items will total $20.79. We have a $1 digital coupon for the 9 mega roll, and also a $1 digital coupon for the wipes. That will take off $2, dropping it down to $18.79, and you get 5 back, making all 3 just $13.79 or $4.60 each. The 100 ounces Persil detergent is on sale for $13.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one. If you have the $2 hang tag, use it, and it will drop it down to $11.99, and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, which will end up making this just $4.99. The next deal I have is spend 30 get 10 back. What you can do with this deal to keep it very simple is to pick up the Dawn E Squeeze on sale for $5.99, Tide detergent on sale for $13.49, and Gain detergent on sale for $9.99. All 3 will total $29.47, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use $2 off Dawn digital coupon for the E Squeeze, and for the Tide we have a $3 digital coupon, and for the Gain detergent we also have a $2 digital coupon. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $22.47, and you get 10 back, making all 3 just $12.47 or $4.16 each. The second option I have is to pick up the Charmin 6 mega roll instead of the Gain detergent. It's on sale for $9.99, and all 3 will total $29.47, which is still within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and $2 digital coupon for the Dawn E Squeeze. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $23.47, and you get 10 back, making all 3 just $13.47 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 2 back on Oreos. Pick up 2 of the Oreo Cakesters on sale for 2 for $8. I have a $1 off 2 Pili coupon that will drop it down to $7, and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. When I checked my Ibotta, this offer is no longer on the regular page. You have to go under the list to find it if you added it to your account. After getting the 50 cents back on each, that's a total of $1 from Ibotta. These two will end up costing just $4 or $2 each. The last thing I have in this video is not giving back any extra care box, and I checked, I couldn't find any rebate for it, but it would make a good filler item. This 1 liter polar drink, they are on sale at 5 for $5 or $1.49 each. You can pick up 5, pay the $5, and that will make it $1 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.